the OnePlus Nord 5, support a 6.83-inch display in a full HD Plus resolution. It will also be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, 8GB or 12GB of RAM, and 256 or 512GB of storage. On the camera front, it'll support a 50MP primary sensor, an 8MP secondary sensor, and a 50MP front-facing camera. All of this is powered by a 5200 mAh capacity battery, which won't be a silicon carbon battery, unfortunately, like the OnePlus 13 has, but it does still support 80-watt charging, and the charger is still included in the box. And then finally, we have the OnePlus Nord CE 5. Now, this is spec somewhat similar to the Nord 5. We expect it to be priced a bit cheaper because of the specs, but it'll have a 6.77-inch Full HD Plus resolution display with 120Hz refresh rate. It'll be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB or 256GB of storage. It'll also support a 50MP primary sensor, an 8MP secondary sensor, and a 16MP front-facing camera. Now, much like the OnePlus Nord 5, it'll also have a 5200 mAh capacity battery with 80-watt charging. Now, all three of these devices are expected to be announced soon with OnePlus summer releases.